Hello, my name is Christian and welcome back to Astronaut. If you haven't had your tea yet, get that kettle boiling. Last week I found a bargain that I couldn't resist, so I went for it. I bought a very cheap Samyang lens. And I'm very excited because I'm receiving it today. After the experience of using my SCT for some years, I came to realize that most of the objects are quite big, and it will be impossible to fit them in one frame unless you do a mosaic. And to deal with this problem, I just thought that maybe a smaller refractor or even a lens could help me deal with this problem. So after looking in the second-hand market, I could not find anything that would be that deal breaker, or that sort of that item that sat on the sweet spot for everything. So I came across the 135mm lenses, and since I had bought my Canon 6D, now I knew what my aim was. After some months I could find nothing, and the only thing that came out was a Canon EF 135 2.0 that I have come to love so much. Not only in astrophotography, but also in portrait photography. It's amazing. It's beautiful. It's something that you cannot compare with anything else. Mainly because I haven't. And so, after some years of experience with my Canon EF, this new bargain has come across. And what I want to do is to leave my EF 135 for portrait photography and use my Samyang for astrophotography. Spotting the elephant in the room, the Canon is autofocus, and you cannot really compare them because they're both great in their unique way. We need to do a visual check and see that the box it doesn't have any damage. The last owner did a very good job, and it's very well packed. And so, here it is, Samyang's or Rokinon f2 135mm. It is a bomb. This is an amazing lens for the price. You see, everything is neat and tidy. We got the hood, lens hood, the cap, front and rear, and we see that the focus spring turns all the way without doing anything weird. Lastly, we check aperture ring, we We can also check the aperture blades. And we see that it goes all the way to wide open to shut. And we check against the light. See some dust? That's just on the outer, on the lens, the outer element. This is a lens, this is not a lens. So what we need to check first is to see it visually, that everything is okay, that it has not been dropped, that it doesn't have any dents or marks. This one seems to be okay. And this is my lens collection. These... this is the best one. I bought this, the Canon lens, it's a 135 lens, a couple of years ago. And I was looking for the Samyang that did the same job but for less money. So I've ended up having both of them. This is the problem with astrophotography. You will end up buying everything.